Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection and some of the items that I picked up so I can show here on my YouTube and also use myself. I'm not really going to go into swatches because if you guys want to see swatches, then you can go to Jeffree's channel himself. And before we get started, I do want to talk about some of the things that I have on my face. So to start off, I do have the concealer and the powder on today. I use the shade C7 and Topaz in the setting powder. And then for highlighter, this is so old, I kind of feel embarrassed showing this, but I have the Jeffree Star and Manny MUA collection. If you don't remember what it looks like, this is what she looks like. It's really beautiful. So I did order my stuff from Beautylish and I did get it today, which is Monday, and I got it around noon. So it got here really fast because I ordered it on Friday morning. I used to order from Jeffree's website himself, but it took forever the last time I did, so I decided not to anymore. And I really like Beautylish because if your order is over $35, you can get free shipping. So now I'm gonna do the unboxing right here in front of you guys. Quickly, I'm gonna go grab something small, you know, to open the box real quick. Okay, I'm back and I got my little utensil. You know, something small because, you know, I don't want to take up too much space. This is the wrapping paper that you do get when you order from Beautylish. It is paper with all his tattoos on there. And then you just lift up this little sticker. And then it's in black packaging. Oh, never mind, it was just on top. So everything comes nicely wrapped up in like little bundles, as you can see. In Beautylish, they always send you a sample of something. So I got the Silwashu. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It's like it's a renewing eye cream. From this Jawbreaker collection, I didn't pick up any of the lipsticks because they didn't really catch my eye and I couldn't see myself wearing them day to day. I know they are eye safe, but I just didn't see it was worth it for me. In this little packet, a lipstick, and I got Dreadlord to use as like a white eyeliner for the eyes. And then I did pick up this from the Jawbreaker collection. This is the pineapple juice lip scrub. Let me open her up real quick. So these lip scrubs are really big. I have other ones that I can compare it to. So this is a Milani lip scrub. As you can see, there's like a huge difference. This lip scrub is from Makeup and Murder Cosmetics, and here's the difference. I'm gonna open it up just to see how much pineapple it smells like. I wouldn't say it smells like the actual pineapple fruit. I would say it smells more maybe like a pineapple gummy or something like that. I'm actually gonna try it right now, you know, we might as well. Oh, she's hard. I don't know how they're supposed to be, but I think I put too much. I just want to eat it. I've never tried his lip scrubs before, but they're like, it feels sandy. It tastes so good. I'm over here eating it. Okay, that was weird. It felt really sandy, but now my lips actually feel moisturized. So now for the big reveal. Whoa, this palette is so big, guys. Look at it. So the palette is actually inside of here. This palette is so big. What can I compare it to? This is compared to Thirsty. I like how it has the same sleek design as Thirsty. They're more easier to store. I know you guys have seen this palette online and everything, but here's the palette. I really like how it easily folds back. It doesn't feel like you're breaking the spine or anything. Just because I'm curious, I'm gonna do 2 to 3 swatches. The first one, I'm curious about Gumdrop, which is this pastel purple. Whoa, do y'all see that? I don't know if it was me who messed up or it's kind of like chalky. But let me try again. This one looks nice, but it seems like it's a little patchy. I'm gonna go into Brain Freeze. That one swatched a little better. Now I'm going into Lemon Drop because yellow is my favorite color, of course. Oh, okay. These glitters are like a little chunky. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, they're like chunky. It's really reflective. This is Jeffree's biggest palette. It has 24 shades and it does retail for $58. The lip scrub retails for $12 and all of his liquid lips retail for $18. And for this look, of course, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star brushes with Morphe. And this brush, it is stained from his Blood Sugar palette, so don't mind it. It's clean, I promise you. I want to do an easy, like, wearable look for you guys. I know this palette is really bold, so obviously if you're not into bold color, probably shouldn't get it. So to begin, I'm going in with the JS5 and I'm going into Brain Freeze. Oh, there is fallout. I don't know, can you see? It like fell out all over the pan right here. I mean, it's not a problem as long as they can blend good. And we're just gonna put this in the crease. I mean, she's pigmented. This is gonna be a wearable look, but with the splash of color, you know what I mean? So I blended out really nicely. I don't see any patches. Next, I'm going into Gumdrop and I'm gonna pack that right under the blue. I'm really liking how it's turning out. I'm gonna add a little bit of Brain Freeze to the crease just because I don't want the purple to completely take over. On the center of the lid, I'm gonna pack bubblegum. I'm gonna go into Cotton Candy, which is this pink shimmer shade. I'm gonna try the flat e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I just noticed that there's like a shit ton of fallout, but luckily it wiped away. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the pink shimmer, it kind of like stuck to my concealer right here. And I'm gonna add Jawbreaker and put that on my inner corner. 3 layers later, we're here. I'm gonna go into Cherry Wet and put that in my lower lash line. I really like how it looks. It blended out really nicely. It doesn't look patchy at all. I'm gonna put on some lashes and we'll be right back. So to end this video, I do think that the Jawbreaker palette is worth it up to a certain extent, and they have a lot of fallout. I do recommend doing your eyes first with this palette because of that. If you're into these fun summer colors, then I would say you can invest in it, but there's also a bunch of cheaper colorful palettes. Just obviously the quality won't be the same. I personally really like Jeffree's palettes. They're always consistent with like the same formulation, so they're pretty good and really easy to blend out. I mean, I wouldn't call myself a beginner, but I'm definitely not some high-end YouTuber, and I can make these colors work even though there's a lot of fallout. So I'm pretty sure you guys can also do this simple look with these colors. As for the lip scrub, I really love it. I didn't like how it just felt sandy and dry, but then after, for some reason, it did feel kind of oily and my lips did feel smooth. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys can stick around and subscribe to my channel, and also like and comment if you guys want to. And make sure you guys are following my Instagram. I'll leave it here down below, which is MESMUA, to keep up with my looks and a close-up of this eye look. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!